And nothing in the galaxy stands. So twice my head for one day with you. Take a big drink, my Patron, drinking shots of you. Come to your Malibu, yeah. With the reason I'm out and how my baby girl's on her Mixed Feelings tour with us. Sammy J here's on here. New music off of her new album titled Follow Me. Go scoop it up. Silent 98.5. Hold on.
Honolulu Buick GMC Cadillac is the perfect vehicle for you. We're completely stocked with new models of ultra-tough GMC trucks and SUVs, refined Buicks, and luxurious Cadillacs. Honolulu Buick GMC Cadillac has some of the best inventory available and offered at low, everyday prices.
These work side by side for you, making connections possible, with increasing our internet speed to 100 megabits.
Try painting objects like vases, flower pots, and year to date.
We all used to like Pandora before they started interrupting the music over and over. We thought maybe we could do it better than a station with all that artist's best music.
Yo, what's up? It's G-Eazy.
And songs we've handpicked to make you a perfect station.
The iHeartRadio app.
With iHeartRadio, your favorite stations, all free.
The Mitsubishi Electric AC Weather Center.
Mixed clouds and sunshine in your Aloha 7-day forecast with gusty winds and a high of 86. Then someday.org.
Catch Island 98.5 anywhere in Hawaii on Spectrum Digital Cable 851. Mahalo for listening to Island 98.5.
Island 98.5.
World's top bridal designers, over 4,000 gorgeous engagement ring styles, all
at our diamond bar. With 10 times the certified loose diamonds you'll find in any other store.
We share with you all the secrets of the diamond business so you can be.
Top experience is only at Sky Waikiki.
Are you a homeowner who is tired of paying mortgage insurance? Hey, it's Rory here for our friends at American Financing. Now, if you own a home in the Honolulu market,
of all ages laughing the entire time. It's family fun for the whole family when the world-famous Harlem Globetrotters visit Blaisdell Arena this weekend. Get your tickets at the box office.
Island 98.5, Hawaii's #1 reggae station.
Apa kau saya?
Bau.
Saya.
Bani.
Kau? Magpapaytawan lang,
ha?
Magpapaytawan lang?
Nabisa niyo mo. May riyaw magkaw.
Oke. Gear.